Hi there, I'm Pablo Payet, a customer service and experience passionate and co-founder of MyCustomerSolutions, where we empower businesses to achieve world-class customer experience through smart strategies and efficient operations. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the most crucial aspects of customer experience analytics tool, and how you can select the most effective ones for your industry. We'll be talking about defining customer experience goals and metrics, integrating data for a comprehensive view, choosing the right analytics capabilities, budgeting and scalability considerations, optimizing user experience and support, and leveraging industry best practices. Imagine you're tracking every single interaction with your customers, emails, support tickets, website visits, but at the end of the month, you're still wondering, what did we actually learn? You've got all this data, but where's the insight? This is something a lot of companies struggle with, and it really highlights why it's so important to start with clear customer experience goals and the right metrics. So first, think about what you're trying to achieve. Are you aiming to boost customer satisfaction, reduce churn, strengthen loyalty or advocacy? The goals you set will shape the metrics you use. Whether it's Net Promoter Score to gauge advocacy, customer satisfaction for real-time feedback, or customer lifetime value to measure long-term profitability. But here's the thing that often gets overlooked. Not every touch point matters equally to your core customers. It's impossible and inefficient to optimize every single interaction. Instead, ask yourself, what do we actually need to learn from our customers? And how can we gather that insight without overwhelming them or ourselves? This idea applies to your internal teams. As a customer experience leader, your job is to shift through the data and deliver insights that can drive real change. So focus on the key touch points, prioritize the right feedback loops, and avoid overwhelming your customers with too many requests for feedback. By targeting the interactions that provide the most value, you can make real, meaningful improvements. For example, in industries like fintech, tools like Medallia, Qualitrix, and Zendesk are great for gathering insights on customer sentiment, behavior, and how efficient your support is. Then you've got tools like Google Analytics and Adobe Analytics that dive into online behavior, tracking how customers navigate your site and where they tend to drop off. In healthcare, metrics like NPS and engagement survey are super helpful for measuring patient satisfaction and even employee experience. But here's the key. It's not just about collecting data. It's about choosing the right tools that give you clear, actionable insights. You need platforms that don't just track performance, but help you visualize how to do next, what to do next. Dashboards that highlight trends and flag areas for improvement. Your customer experience analytics should be driving your strategy forward, not just measuring it. At the end of the day, your customer experience goals need to align with your bigger business mission, and the metrics you choose should directly support that mission. Whether you're using CSAT, CLV, or NPS, the focus should always be on turning that data into action. That's how you create experiences that really resonate with your customers and ultimately drive lasting business success. In today's digital world, understanding your customers takes more than just scratching the surface. To really get what drives the behavior, you gotta pull data from every source you can, whether that's your website, mobile app, emails, CRM, call centers, or even IoT devices. But it's not just about collecting a ton of data. The real value comes from choosing the right kinds of data and using them effectively. Are you working with structured data like transactional records, website clicks, or survey ratings? Or do you need to go deeper and include unstructured data like voice calls, customer reviews, or video interactions? Depending on what kind of business you have and how complex your data is, you need advanced analytics tools that can handle both structured and unstructured data to give you a full picture of your customer interactions. It's kind of like putting a puzzle together. You need all the pieces to fit. Whether it's operational systems, transactional databases, or relational tools, they should all connect into one cohesive system. And with today's AI and big data solutions, you can now pull together massive data sets and actually make sense of them, revealing patterns that can impact both your customer experience and your business results. Let's break it down. Operation data is all the measurable stuff like website traffic, sales number, or conversions, On the other hand, behavioral data is a bit more abstract. It's about understanding customer attitudes and feedback, usually through surveys or sentiment analysis. The tricky part is integrating both types of data to get a full, accurate picture of your customer's experience. Platforms like Zendesk and Medallia are great for this. They collect and analyze data from all kinds of channels, whether it's customer support interactions, social media engagement, or product feedback surveys. These tools are especially helpful in retail and e-commerce, where real-time data is key to fine-tuning the customer journey. They let companies quickly adjust to changes in behavioral preferences. But what really makes these platforms stand out is their ability to turn data into actionable insights, helping teams make changes that actually matter to customers. And don't forget about digital behavior signals. Not every customer will give you direct feedback, but by tracking online activity, monitoring customer sentiment on social media, and analyzing interactions on your platforms, you can get a solid read on how your brand is really being perceived. In today's competitive world, the businesses that thrive are the ones that continuously improve their customer experience. Regular feedback from customers, employees, or even your analytics, paired with key metrics like CSAT or NPS, helps you pinpoint areas of friction and uncover opportunities to boost customer satisfaction. But here's the thing, it's not just about gathering feedback, it's about turning that feedback into meaningful actions. Feedback can't just sit in a silo. It should spark collaboration across the board, from product and marketing to operations and customer service. Sharing insights from customer feedback across all the different departments ensures that everyone's on the same page, working toward the common goal of improving the customer experience. For example, if you notice a recurring issue for feedback, cross-functional teams can come together to fix the root cause, driving efficiency and preventing future problems. At the end of the day, data is only as valuable as what you do with it. Are you ready to turn your insights into actions that not only boost customer loyalty, but also drive real business success? To really get actionable insights from your customer experience analytics, you've got to align the tools you use with your team's analytics capabilities. Start by considering your team's skill set and the types of insights you want to gain. Are you focusing mainly on descriptive analytics, like dashboards or visual reports, or are you looking for more advanced capabilities, things like predictive analytics, segmentation, or forecasting? Understanding where you stand will help you pick the right platform. Different tools fit different levels of expertise. If your organization is ready to dive into AI, machine learning, or natural language processing, you need platforms that can deliver personalized insights from complex data. But if you're still fine-tuning your analytics approach, you might want to stick with something more intuitive but still powerful. If your team likes to get hands-on with data, look for tools with user-friendly interfaces. These let your team pull real data insights and customize dashboards without needing any deep technical background. If your goal is to drive decisions with predictive data analytics, you want tools that offer AI-driven predictions, forecasting models, and segmentation. Pick platforms that can grow with you to avoid disruptions as your needs expand. As your analytics needs to grow, so should your tools. Choosing platform that can scale with you ensures that you won't have to deal with custom migrations or updates later on. This is a versatile customer support platform that not only helps with ticket management, but also has built-in analytics. It gives you a clear view of your customer experience by tracking service data and interactions. This tool excels at collecting and analyzing customer feedback. It's great for market research and offers predictive analytics to help guide your decision-making. Medallia provides real-time feedback collection and analysis with customizable dashboards. It's perfect for getting started, for getting targeted insights into your customer experience. If you're focused on tracking user behavior across digital channels, like your website and mobile apps, Adobe Analytics offers sophisticated cross-channel analytics to help you understand and optimize your online experience. A must-have for understanding web traffic and user behavior. It's essential for any organization looking to enhance their online customer experience. When it comes to using an analytics tool, it's not just about picking the right ones. You also need to think about how you handle your data. If possible, have a specialized team dedicated to managing sensitive customer experience data securely. And don't forget about how you present your findings. These results should be clearly visualized and tailored to what leadership needs to see. If the data is presented in a way that's easy to understand and relevant, it'll be more actionable and useful for making decisions. When you're looking at CX analytics solutions, it's important to keep both your budget and scalability in mind. Make sure you understand what you can afford and check if the solution can grow with your business. This will help you make a smart choice that meets your current needs and adapts as your business evolves. Figure out how much you're ready to invest in your CX analytics tool. Think about both the initial costs and what you'll be paying over time. The aim is to find a solution that gives you a great value and efficiency without blowing your budget. Pick a platform that can scale with your business. If you're expecting more data or growing your customer base, make sure the solution can handle the extra load and adjust to your evolving needs. Check out the different pricing options: subscription-based, pay-per-use, or one-time purchases. Choose a model that fits your budget and allows for future growth. Instead of seeing budget constraints as a roadblock, think of them as a chance for strategic investment. You don't need a huge budget to make a big impact. Sometimes, a smart plan and collaboration across departments can lead to impressive improvements in customer experience. Decide if a cloud-based solution, which offers scalability and remote access, or an on-premise system, which provides control and customization, is the best fit for you. Figure out if you want a self-service platform where your team handles the analytics, or a managed service where the provider takes care of everything. Be cautious when choosing vendors, especially those focused on rapid growth or IPOs. Do your homework by talking to current users to understand their service quality and fee structures. Make sure you know exactly what you're paying for and how it aligns with your needs. Invest in solutions that not only meet your current needs, but also offer room for future growth. Look for tools that can easily integrate with new data sources and have advanced predictive capabilities. This way, your investment stays valuable as your CX strategy evolves. Balance your budget with the potential benefits of the solution. Choose one that offers scalability, flexibility, and long-term value. This strategic approach will help you make wise investments and adapt to the ever-changing customer experience landscape. When choosing a customer experience analytics solution, the user experience is crucial. The effectiveness of a tool often hinges on how user-friendly it is and how well it supports its users. Here's how to evaluate and improve the user experience with your customer experience analytics tool. Opt for platforms designed with simplicity in mind. A clear, intuitive interface ensures accessibility for users of varying technical expertise, enhancing ease of use and adoption. Ensure the tool integrates smoothly with your existing systems and workflows. This minimizes disruption and enables a seamless transition. Choose solutions that offer thorough training resources. Look for tutorials, webinars, and documentation that helps users become proficient quickly and effectively. Seek vendors that provide dedicated account managers and responsive customer support. This ensures assistance is readily available when issues arise or guidance is needed. Implement mechanisms that collect ongoing feedback from users. Regular feedback helps identify areas for improvement and ensures the tool continues to meet evolving needs. Engage with platforms that have a strong user community. An active community supports peer-to-peer assistance, sharing best practices, and collaborative problem solving. Run a pilot test with a representative group of users to assess the tool's usability in real-world scenarios. Focus on capturing verbal feedback and observing user interactions to identify any usability issues. Use these insights to make informed adjustments before full-scale implementation. Continuously gather feedback from users to identify and address challenges. Regularly adapt the tool to better fit evolving needs of the users and improve overall satisfaction. Implement changes based on feedback to enhance the tool's effectiveness and usability. Set clear expectations with your vendor regarding support and service levels. Ensure these expectations are well defined and communicated. Periodically, renew and review the vendor's performance against these expectations to ensure they are being met. Prioritize tools that simplify complex data analysis, making it accessible to all team members. A user-friendly tool enhances engagement and reduces the learning curve. Assess the quality of vendor support by considering their responsiveness and the resources they offer. Effective support is crucial for smooth operation and maximizing your tool's value. Invest in comprehensive training to enhance user adoption and maximize tool effectiveness. Tailor the training to address your team's specific needs and skill level. Provide ongoing training and resources to keep users updated on new features and best practices. Depending on your requirements, consider using multiple CX analytics tools to gain a more comprehensive view of customer experience and team performance. This approach can offer a more rounded perspective and enhance overall insights. Ensure that these tools integrate well with each other to maintain consistency and streamline data analysis. A successful CX analytics tool should be intuitive, well supported, and adaptable to user feedback. By focusing on intuitive design, effective training, and responsive support, you can ensure that your tool empowers users to leverage data effectively and drive meaningful improvements in customer experience. Understanding how your customer experience analytics performance compares to industry standards and benchmarks is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge. Here's how to effectively incorporate industry best practices and benchmarks into your CX analytics strategy. Look for CX analytics platforms that provide access to industry-specific benchmarks. These benchmarks offer a clear understanding of how your performance stacks up against peers and competitors. Ensure the tool can measure and compare KPIs relevant to your industry. This capability helps you identify areas of improvement and recognize your strengths. Choose tools that offer insights into industry reports, emerging trends, and best practices. This will help you stay updated with the latest developments and maintain your relevance in the industry. Ensure the analytics platform supports industry-specific regulations and frameworks. Compliance with the standards is crucial for maintaining credibility and avoiding legal issues. Choose platforms with active user communities that facilitate the sharing of strategies, success stories, and insights. This community support can be invaluable for adopting best practices and overcoming challenges. Engage with vendors that provide access to industry experts who can offer guidance on aligning your CX strategy with industry standards. Continuously measure your CX metrics against industry peers to understand your performance in context. This helps you identify where you excel and where you may need to improve. Look for innovative practices and technologies outside of your industry. Adopting cutting-edge approaches from other sectors can provide new opportunities and enhance your CX strategy. Use industry benchmarks as a baseline, but aim to surpass them. Setting higher goals relative to industry leaders can drive exceptional performance and set you apart from competitors. Combine industry-specific insights with external innovation to create a comprehensive CX strategy. This helps you develop a well-rounded approach that incorporates the best of both worlds. Regularly update your CX analytics strategy based on the latest benchmarks and best practices. This ensures you stay ahead of the curve and adapt to evolving industry trends. In conclusion, leveraging industry best practices and benchmarks is crucial for driving superior CX performance. By aligning with industry standards, accessing relevant resources, and integrating insights from diverse sources, you can refine your CX strategy and maintain a competitive edge. Staying updated with industry trends and continuously adapting your approach will ensure that you not only meet but exceed expectations, ultimately enhancing your customer experience and positioning your business for long-term success. Thanks for joining me today as we've explored the essentials of selecting the right CX analytics tools and platforms. To recap, we discussed defining clear CX goals and metrics, integrating diverse data sources for a comprehensive view, choosing the right analytics capabilities, and balancing budget with scalability. We also emphasize the importance of optimizing user experience and support, as well as leveraging industry best practices. Remember, choosing the right CX analytics tool is not just about technology. It's about finding a partner that will help transform data into actionable insights. The right tool will empower your team, enhance customer experiences, and drive meaningful business results. For more insights, tips, and updates on customer experience strategies, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions or would like to share your experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you're looking to enhance your customer experience journey, start with the free Customer Experience Function Index survey. Request your survey through my website, linked in the description. After completing the survey, reach out for a detailed evaluation of your customer experience or service functions performance across 5 areas. Let's discuss where you're at now and how we can help you reach world-class status. I'm Pablo Payet from MyCustomerSolutions. where we're dedicated to helping businesses like yours achieve excellence in customer experience. Until next time, keep striving for greatness and making every interaction count.